Good morning, guys. Um, Good afternoon, good evening from where you're watching us from. Um, Now you can see that this is one of the questions we shared. If root 2 is equal to 1.414, okay, evaluate 10 over root 2. Okay, evaluate 10 over root 2 without using calculator. That was emphasized, without using what? Calculator. So this is you have the solution here. Okay, you have the solution. Okay, let's assume we have that's 10 root 2. I've told you this was shared under sod. Okay, I've told you when you have square roots or something at the denominator, you need to rationalize first. Okay, so that is under sod. So what do we do here? We rationalize. So what we do here is that we rationalize. Okay, that is on rationalizing, okay, we have 10 root 2 times what? Root 2 over what? Root 2. Okay, so this is same thing as saying 10 root 2 over 2 times 2, 4. So square root of what? 4. I told you, multiply what is inside the square root with what is inside the square root. Okay, what is inside the square root here is 2. You don't multiply what is inside the square root with what is outside the square root. 10 is outside the square root here. You can't do multiplication with that. Okay, so that is very, very important when you are solving question under sort. Okay, so in this case now, we only have that is 10, that is 2 root 2 is only 10 that is outside for numerator. So for denominator, you have 2 times 2, that is root what? Root 4. You understand now? So now from here, I can now go ahead and say, yes, what's the square root of 4 here? The square root of 4 is what? Is 2. So that implies I can now say 10 root 2 over 2. You can see it. 10 root 2 over 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 can go here, 1. 2 can go here, 5. So that's what? 5 root what? 2. You see now? And now they're giving us the value for what? Root 2. They said without using calculator, can we get our answer? Fantastic, we can do that. Okay, so if I continue this one here, this is the same thing as saying, instead of me writing root 2, I'll write the value given to us, which is 1.414. So this is the same thing as saying, I think, okay, yeah. So this is the same thing as saying 5 times 1.414. Okay, 5 times 4, 20, carry 2. Okay, 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, that's what? 7. 5 times 4 again, 20, carry 2. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, that's 7. So the answer at the end of the day is what? 7.070. Okay, so the answer at the end of the day is what? 7.070. Very simple. So these things are not hard. Okay, all you just need to do is just to show that interest, that okay, you want to understand it. Just go to any of the topic that has been treated, listen to them one after the other, and I believe strongly that you can lay your hands on any questions, as many as possible, because it has been simplified and broken down into pieces for you to understand, okay, at your comfort zone, for you to study at your comfort zone. So it's as simple as that. So please continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, continue to comment, continue to like, continue to share. Okay, because as you are also gaining from this gaining from this knowledge, please share for others to also gain from that. Thank you very much. Cheers.